Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily add text and media together without using any plugin or any custom coding for your WordPress website. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to my all post section. After that I am going to open this post. Now I want to add media and text after this headline. So for this, firstly I have to click on this plus icon, add block. After that search here media, then you will find it media and text. Select it. After that you can upload your photo or you can click on media library to select your photo. So I'm clicking on media library and I'm going to select this photo. Select, and after that I want to add a dummy text on the right side and save. View post. You see here media and your text is together. So I used here a image or photo, but if you wish you can add video, any kind of media. It's not separate, like photo is not different block and text is not different block. Both block is together. So when you are clicking anywhere, it's selecting the full block. Right now image is on left side and text is on the right side. So if you wish you can make the text on left and image on right. So for this you have to click here. So if I click here, you see it's going to get reverse. And if you wish you can customize few basic things. When you are clicking anywhere of this block, then you see right side your block option is getting select this option. So after selecting this option, if I come to the settings, our first settings is media width. So by default this image or what media you are using here is 50%, but if I want to make it 80%, it will be 80%. If I want to make it 30%, it will be 30%. And next option is for the mobile, stack on mobile. So if you wish you can enable or disable, and you can crop image to fill. So if I use crop, this image is going to crop. What would be the measurement for the crop? It would be the left 50% and top 50%. So if you wish you can customize it. You can add image alt here and you can check the resolution. Right now it's the full size. You can make it medium size or thumbnail size. So those are the settings. You can customize your media and text block by using those settings. So by following this tutorial you can add media and text together. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.